Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a video where we are going to show you how to change your screen resolution. This is one of the major problems for a lot of people, screen resolution. What's screen resolution? Well, every computer screen has a number of dots, or what we call pixels, that actually make the screen. Usually you have two numbers with the resolution. You have the horizontal and the vertical number of dots or pixels on that screen. One of the problems with screen resolution is that it can actually make your text size become real small if the resolution is really high. It can make your screen look bizarre. It can make your screen have weird black borders. So if everything looks bizarre, if maybe for some reason everything suddenly becomes really big or really small on your screen and you just don't know what happened, there's a good chance it has something to do with screen resolution. So how do you fix that? It's pretty much universal on Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. You just right click anywhere on the screen, the desktop, right click where there's no icons, and there you will have screen resolution. If you're in Windows XP, you might have to go to properties before you'll find screen resolution available. Click screen resolutions, and there you'll see the display, the resolution, and the orientation. Now, the display is most of the time the display you are using, primary display. We rarely touch that. What we usually do is go into the recommended settings here. Now, all computers that use either external screen or laptops that have these integrated screens have recommended settings. So the best thing to do usually is to click that little moving cursor here and put it on or next to the recommended settings. Recommended settings are not necessarily the best settings for everyone. Some people tend to have a favorite screen resolution. So depending on the screen you use, you might want to change that and just slide it away. Take that slider. For example, I'll put it at 800 by 600, and then I'll click apply, and you'll see what it looks like. Here you see that we have black borders now, and what's interesting is that if you choose the wrong screen resolution and you can't see anything, there's a 15-second delay where it's going to revert back to what you had before. So don't panic if you chose a screen resolution that doesn't work and you can't see anything. Don't worry, 15 seconds, it's going to come back. Now, all the settings are here. All you have to do is go through. You'll have, depending on the graphics chip and the screen that you're using, the slider will have from 2 or 3 different settings all the way up to maybe 10, 12, 15 different settings. So don't worry about that. You'll have a lot of settings available. Just choose which one goes the best for you. If, for example, you're going 1024 by 768, which is a very popular resolution, you can look at it, and of course if it doesn't fit the screen like this, you know that you have to revert back to another resolution that's going to fit the screen. Another problem that might arise from this setting of screen resolution is the fact that the things on the screen might not be crisp. If you change screen resolution and it's not optimum for the screen you're using, you might see that the letters on your screen are a little blurry. That's another something to check for. That's why there's a recommended setting. It's usually the best setting, but So if you have eye problems, if you have a CRT, big old CRT screen, you might not want to have a recommended setting, but have more of a personal one, or depending on what you do on the web, because the lower the resolution, the bigger the things on your screen, and the higher the resolution, the smaller the things on your screen usually. That tends to being fixed slowly, because Windows is slowly integrating a, I would say, a gradual fix to that problem in having an automatic scale option, which will make the text as big on even on high resolution screens. So but it's not always there. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature you'd like us to talk about for your iPad, your iPhone, your Mac, your PC, or your Android device. Let us know and we'll try to put that video online, and you'll be helping others at the same time. If you have any comments, questions, let us know. It's always fun, and we'll try to answer all questions that we can. And hope you come back to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Bye-bye.